Newton's law of inertia states that an object in motion will stay in motion until acted on by an outside force, and an object at rest will stay at rest until acted on by an outside force. And we're going to relate this to the cannon.
Our lovely creation in my backyard. Here we have my dad lighting the cannon with shot, take one of tennis ball. Hopefully this doesn't send the camera into a mad frenzy.
Hit the sand!
Too bad we can't see our sand pile. That's alright. We all saw the cannon shoot. Alright, well, of course, as I'm sure everybody knows here, Newton didn't just have one law of motion. He had three. Now for the second law, Newton states that force equals mass times acceleration. The basic idea of this is that for larger objects, it takes much more force to accelerate it. And for smaller objects, it takes much less. So in the case of our ammunition, we had a tennis ball and our metal ball bearing, with an object in between each weight, the baseball. Now, the tennis ball is a very light object. Therefore, by consequence, it doesn't take much to move it. But the metal ball, on the other hand, takes much more force to move the cannon. Has the ammunition in the front, a small tube, the actual pin in the back, where you can see the wick, and simply all the gunpowder does is creates a large amount of pressure between here and here, forcing the ball out at a very high rate of speed.
Into our target,
the sand pile. And now for shot number 2, baseball, take one, and final. After that shot from the baseball, we managed to actually hit the sand pile this time. And here you can see what damage it has done. A simple baseball. Wow.
Don't try this stuff at home.
Okay, so this is our last one, and we're very afraid. So we move the cannon a little bit closer. This is our metal ball. Take one. We will never see it again. Go ahead, Dad.
Oh my god!
Holy sweet, oh gosh. We didn't believe we would ever see it again, but by some leap of faith, we managed to shoot it directly into this hole here. If you can see it. It's pretty big. Over there is where the baseball hit. Here's where our metal ball hit, and we dug it out. Wow. That is some stuff right there.
Newton's third law states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So as when a projectile fired from the cannon's recoil was the equal and opposite reaction.
Now for your special and very convenient entertainment, we've decided to shoot a tennis ball the way this cannon was meant to shoot. Run, Dad, run.
Hey, it's right there.
Never mind. As you can see, Justin and Ryan are currently going to fetch the tennis ball that we just currently shot square straight into the air. Normally our tennis balls explode when we shoot them into the air, but by some fortunate series of events, our tennis ball survived.